Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to use Humata AI on mobile. Start by downloading the Humata AI mobile app from your device's app store. Search for Humata AI and ensure you download the official app developed by Humata. If you are a new user, create an account on the Humata AI app by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the features and services offered by Humata AI. This could include tools for productivity, personal assistance, information retrieval, or other AI-driven functionalities. Depending on the features you intend to use, you may need to grant certain permissions to the Humata AI app. This could include access to your device's microphone, camera, contacts, location, and other settings as required by specific features. Use the app's interface to interact with Humata AI. This could involve typing queries, speaking commands, or using gestures depending on the app's capabilities and your device's features. After submitting your queries or commands, Humata AI will process the information and respond and recommendations or perform tasks based on your input. Follow the prompts and instructions provided by the app to engage with Humata AI effectively. Explore the app settings to customize your experience with Humata AI. This could include adjusting language preferences, setting up reminders, managing preferences for personalized recommendations, and more. Keep the Humata AI app updated to access the latest features, improvements, and security patches. Check for app updates regularly on your device's app store. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.